welcome to Quick Earning. Today I will talk about a new qualification, Comment HateSpeech Moderation. This is very tricky qualification and I hope you will learn from this video and also qualify. So let's get started. So you see here the first question, you need to judge whether it is a hate speech or not. So read carefully, and this one I selected as no because statement was quite good. So next one is also no, can't reduce a Muslim. This one also I selected as no because this is a statement only. And in this one, starlight quote, you read this and you will find there is no hate kind of word. Next is perhaps in that driver address culture, it's bit on women. This is representing a hate speech. I selected yes. Scouts, Little Hitler, it is a kind of hate speech. Yeah, pansexual. Pansexual is a sexual activity, hate speech. So I clicked on yes. Can't wait to watch them burn. It is a kind of hate word, hate speech. So I selected this. Marxism. Marxism. Only one opinion is allowed. You may opt for no, but I selected yes. Then submit. Bloody Nigerians or Eastern Europeans. I selected this as a hate speech. Yes. If ever you needed an answer, colors are failures. There it is. So I selected this one as because this was a representing racism. No, never found women excrements. This is a general statement, so I selected no. In the days of old, men made friendship with blunt instruments worked. So we have P hashtag. So I selected yes because I didn't know the actual meaning of P triple hashtag. Black lives matter. So this is representing racism in countries like Indian, Chinese, Japanese. So I selected yes. Then this one is representing the country hate. So I selected this as yes. Laws and customs, otherwise you and your kinfolk will never be welcomed. So then I selected no because it is kind of general statement. You may opt yes if you find this. You are here to read left wing of CNN. CNN is a kind of news network. So I selected this as hate speech because it is talking about garbage stuff. Turn them round and drag them into French waters. So it is hate speech. I selected because I think from the perception that this is being talked about animals which are present inside the water. So next, in a nutshell, Chinese have tracked a record of hacking into use and Russian military database. So this represent a hate, or you can say this represent a biased statement about China. So I selected this as yes. Then this one 24 into 7 365 days. I selected this as a no because this is a general statement. I selected all answers based upon Google research because you may not find all examples in the qualification guidelines. So use your common sense and research on the Google to answer these. Then I submit. Oh, I got the fail. I got fail in this Hitapp, but my accuracy, spam accuracy was about 70%. That's why I made on demand from my viewers. So you will learn from a lot from this video. I hope you will also qualify, and tell me in the comment where I have done my mistake, in which person I have made the mistake in. So if you never failed, you haven't tried anything new. So learn from your failures, learn from your mistakes, and keep growing. So thank you so much, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you.